Hello guys, welcome to Miniature GT. I hope you are all fine. Today is the bonus day. We are going to unbox two Hot Wheels of the motorshow 5-pack collection. First car is Aston Martin Vantage GTE. Aston Martin Vantage GTE is also Endurance Grand Tourer, which is developed by Aston Martin Racing. It is based on 2018 Aston Martin Vantage. GTE is powered by Mercedes-AMG 177 4.0-liter turbocharged V8 engine that can generate 536 horsepower of power and 516 pound-feet of torque. GTE was first debuted in 2018. 6-hour Spa-Francorchamps and first race was win by this car is 2018 6-hour Shanghai. Aston Martin wins 15 races with this car, achieve 4 pole position. Overall car looks good in yellow color. Details are good. Double hood air vents looks good. Central black strap make it more sportier. Headlights of the car are stickers. Side air vents are painted black. Line at the bottom is nice and flowing with the shape of the car. I love the big yellow spoiler at the rear of the car. It will be better if it is black painted. Interior of the car is slightly visible. A big air diffuser at the rear bumper looks stunning. Second car is the McLaren Senna. The McLaren Senna is a limited production mid-engine sports car manufactured by McLaren Automotive. The Senna was unveiled online by the company on December 10, 2017, with the official unveiling taking place at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. It is the two-door sports car, rear mid-engine and rear-wheel drive. It is powered by 4.0-liter Ricardo-built and assembled McLaren M840TR twin-turbocharged V8 engine can produce 789 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, paired with McLaren's 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. McLaren's main focus while designing the Senna was to achieve faster lap times. Car is aerodynamic in the terms of design. Nice and flowy design, almost like a real car. Black color looks good and aggressive. Details are good. C-shaped hood vents looks of the car is visible through semi-transparent cabin glass. Headlights are painted in black color but taillights are painted in red and it is nice. Big black spoiler and diffuser make the car aggressive. Details of the wheels are okay, yellow color on rims looks nice. So, guys, do you like this video? Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. If you like this video, please comment below and send me your feedback. Stay tuned for the next video and upcoming car Jaguar F-Type.